Why do you start yawning when you feel nervous?
Hi, I'm Dr. Faye. Have you noticed that you yawn more when you're anxious or stressed? Yawning is not always about being tired. When you're anxious, your nervous system becomes overactive and changes your breathing pattern. This can make your body feel like it needs more air, triggering frequent yawning. Anxiety can also increase muscle tension and fatigue, which contributes to this reflex. Slow breathing, relaxation, and stress control usually reduce anxiety-related yawning. If excessive yawning happens without stress or comes with other symptoms, it should be evaluated. Follow for more ENT and health tips.